Hi, my name is James Pratt, but also go by JP, here at Belford, 2401 West Bell Road. Today we're going to show you how to jumpstart your 2021 Ford EcoSport. Come on over here, we'll open the door and go inside. You have the hood release, which is right here inside, underneath the steering wheel. We're going to pull that to release it. Come around here to the front. So you just have to watch on this one. The release is on the the right-hand side of the vehicle. Lift up the hood, make sure you put up your hood prop. So that'll hold the hood up for you. Pick up the jumper cables. Normally on jumper cables, red is positive, black is negative. On this one, yellow is positive, black is negative. So we're just gonna hook this here, just so they don't touch when you have them apart. We're gonna hook these up. So first one, we'll start with the positive. You have two little clips on the cover. Lift that up. Go ahead and hook this in right here to make sure it's nice and snug. This one's a little tricky. Sorry about that. There we go. And then the back one, we can actually hook right here since it's grounded directly to the battery. So you would take these ones then, remove it. When you hook it up to your vehicle, remember, red goes to positive, black goes to negative. Thank you for watching our video today. If you have any further questions, you can check out our YouTube page or contact the service department. Thank you very much, and my name is James Pratt.